Assalamu alaikum, students of grade 8. We have already started the chapter chocolate and we have done its question answer section as well. Today we will read about the level 3, and in level 3 you have to introduce your own chocolate and you have to decide about its flavor. You have to focus which group of people you want to focus, and you can have your own creativity, you can have your ideas, you can make create a chocolate for the diabetics patient, you can create a chocolate for infant to help them during the teething process, you can create a chocolate for ordinary people, a cheaper one, a different flavor with a different feeling. It's all up to you. Just you have to remember that when you are making this, you're doing this part of the question section, you have to use a computer paper, you have to make a chocolate or paste a wrapper, tell about its ingredients, what's new in it, what is your focus group, and a USP also, that is your unique selling point. After that, page number 28. In page number 28, you have to circle the words given below that are used to describe problems and solutions. And here the problems and solutions, the words are difficulty, consequently, objection, doubt, dilemma, predicament, obstacle, unresolved, puzzle, answer, resolving, sorting out, severe, satisfy, agree, suited, appropriate, opportunity, adapt, and the other portion or other words which are left are the connectors, and you have to write that type also, just like is a comparison, consequently is cause and effect. Write the synonyms for the following words of the passage. Gusto means energy, intimately, expertise, connoisseur, palate, irresistible, and concocting. We have already done this in our copy. Now we come to the grammar section, which is we use the past continuous tense to refer to action that were ongoing at a certain point in the past. See the following examples. And here you have to complete, in section A, you have to complete the sentence using your own ideas. So many delicious smells were wafting. So many delicious smells were wafting from the boiling pots of chocolate. Inside the lab, he was inventing a new medicine for the COVID-19 patients. They were creating a masterpiece, and they want to display it on Independence Day. We were having lots of fun. In this portion. Nobody was walking as it was dark. Now the change a sentence from past continuous tense to the past tense. He was playing his drum so loudly his parents couldn't hear themselves speak. He played his drum so loudly his parents couldn't hear themselves. Scruff and Rovers chased each other round and round the pond. Jack and Minnie skated around the ice rink while everyone clapped. Change the following sentence from future tense to the future continuous tense. He won't see her before lunch. We would not be seeing her before lunch. I will leave in 20 minutes for the restaurant. I will be leaving in 20 minutes for the restaurant. Will they see her at the cookery competition? Will they be seeing her at the cookery competition? The new cafe will be opening on 1st of July. Maybe we will be going out for dinner. Change the following sentences from the future continuous tense to the future tense. They will be waiting for you at the cinema, so make sure you get there on time. They They will wait for you at the cinema. They shall expect the letter. We will stay at the hotel. So that's how you will change these sentences. Afterward, there is section E, which says fill in the blanks in the following sentence with past continuous form of the verb provided in the box. I was watching television. It was raining heavily. The boys were playing cricket. The boy was looking anxiously out of the window. Okay, now that's all for the today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.